This is Ronnie O'Sullivan's most perfect breakoff in his career. He applied extra top spin to strike the left side of the red, and after contact with the cushion, the cue ball accelerated, made 4 cushions, and returned to the breakoff area, nestling tightly behind the green. This breakoff put Mark Selby under immense pressure because the cue ball had almost no angle to attack the lower half of the table, with all the reds clustered in the lower half and not spread out. This meant Selby would need at least 3 cushions to escape. On his first attempt, Selby applied heavy side spin, but unfortunately, the cue ball hit the middle pocket corner on its way out and came to rest near the top of the table. After assessing the table, O'Sullivan called for Selby to have another go. The second attempt followed the same route, but the result was identical. Selby's plan was to use 4 cushions to leave the cue ball lightly touching the bottom cluster, the safest escape route, but it required extreme precision in both angle and power. On the third attempt, Selby over-adjusted, causing the cue ball to jump over the cluster and come to rest below it, failing again. We can see that if not controlled properly, this route could easily give O'Sullivan an opportunity. As there were 2 loose reds near the base of the cluster, more than enough for a player of O'Sullivan's caliber to launch a potential break. On the fourth attempt, the cue ball went straight into the middle pocket. Selby looked stunned, marking his 4th consecutive failed escape, proving that this route had a very low success rate and was prone to leaving opportunities. Selby then decided to change his escape strategy, aiming for the red near the bottom cushion, but the angle wasn't quite right, and the cue ball ended up touching the pink, resulting in a 6-point penalty. By this point, O'Sullivan had already earned 22 points for Selby from this single defensive shot. After 6 attempts, Selby finally executed a perfect escape. Although he conceded 22 points in the process, between 2 players of their level and with all the reds still on the table, those 22 points didn't make a significant difference in the overall match, as the scoreboard still had plenty of points left. In this tactical battle, Selby was undoubtedly the success story.